someone who was born 100 plus years ago. Is he relevant in this day and age of AI, in this day and age of modernity? Is he relevant because he is no longer alive? He passed away in 1947. And frankly speaking, I'm not here to convince every one of you whether he was relevant to you or not, because he is relevant to me. Today, when I fight for my indigenous people, I fight on the path which he laid out for us. Today, when I ask for land rights for my indigenous people, it is because Maharaja Bikram in 1941 reserved the land for the Hani Kusar. And that land that he reserved, through a proper gazette notification, was removed by an act of TLR Act. Today, as of now, when I am speaking to the government of India, I am telling them to restore what the Maharaja had given us 80 years ago. He may not be relevant, but if his dream is fulfilled, you know you will be relevant. A land which is not equitable is valueless. Today, we want to give the dignity back to our people, and dignity can never come if you do not have authority and control over it. People celebrate Maharaja's birthday. Some people celebrate Maharaja's birthday because they want votes in his name. I celebrate my grandfather's birthday because I want land back for my people. Not everything is related to politics. Everything is related to dignity and self-respect. I remember what the intact convener, my elder sister, was talking about 2008. Shama Charan Tripura, Nagendra Chamatya, my mother, we all faced a lot of difficulties in celebrating Maharaja's 100th birthday. I remember the program was held in town hall. I remember that we did not have much money. I remember the state government was against the idea of celebrating Maharaja's birthday. I remember opposition and ruling government got together and decided to name the airport not in Maharaja's name but in somebody else's name. I remember one man stood up, Bikram, and opposed it while 59 of them were on the other side. But today, things have changed. The people may have changed their parties. They have also changed because today we are united. And we cannot be taken lightly. So, what does Maharaja Bikram teach you? What is he to you? He is what personifies your right. If the Maharaja can give you the constitution, many people may not be aware that the constitution of Tripura is older than the constitution of India. And the Maharaja made sure that there was democracy before democracy actually came to India, when he said there will be a multi-party system. So, for some people who are ignorant, who who are illiterate and who have agenda. They have tried to tell my poor Tiprasa people for 50-60 years, आपका राजा तो खराब था, आपका राजा तो अच्छा नहीं था. अगर राजा नहीं होता तो आपको ईस्ट पाकिस्तान से त्रिपुरा में आने के लिए जगह नहीं मिलता. लेकिन that is propaganda. Today, whether it is Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, today, whether it is the planning of Agartala city, MBB college, our land rights, whether it is about the airport, these are all contributions of Maharaja Bikram. Can I ask some of the young people, क्या उम्र था महाराजा का? When he passed away, he was 39 years old. हम तो 39 years में कुछ नहीं किया. इन्होंने तो 39 years की उम्र में नक्शा बदल दिया. It is a misfortune that we lost him. Otherwise, today we would not be fighting for our rights. We would be fighting for something more than our rights. 79 years ago, Maharaja Bikram left us. Today, onwards into the 80th year, we are still fighting for something which he had already given. It was taken away. So, my message is not political, but it is powerful. My message is not for benefit of one, but benefit of all. Learn, analyze, and then react. To all present here, you have 2 days to either admire or to reject. The choice is yours. But if we have to look ahead, we also have to look backwards. If we have to climb tall, we also have to not forget our roots. A tree can never be strong if its foundations are weak. Our foundations are based on who we are, what we know, and what we will do with what we have in our knowledge. So, to everyone present here, learn to realize that without love, empathy, and unity, we will all be weak. Either we fight as a family or we lose as individuals. The choice is for all of you to make. I thank the Intact Edition for hosting every year. They do these exhibitions. I hope the effort will be acknowledged and remembered. My sister, who is the Member of Parliament, I know that you are trying your best to make sure that our voices reach Delhi. I know it's not easy. I know that the brother and sister are not the most popular people. But we are not here to make people happy. We are here to speak for our people. We are not here for a popularity contest. So, the effort will be on. There are many things I can say which my dear sister cannot. But I do know that she is still speaking for us. And the same goes for you, Mona. And the same goes to every one of you here. We cannot be bigger than our thoughts. And our thoughts have to be in implementing जो महाराजा ने आज से 80-100 साल पहले सोचा. अगर ये हो जाए तो our next generation will be better off than anyone. Belai Belai Muhambai Khwlangkha. Thank you.